how to go live on YouTube. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to go live on YouTube easy and fast. So first thing, all what you have to do is log into your account, of course, and now go to your channel YouTube Studio. Click here on your profile picture and then go to YouTube Studio right here. Now right here you will find this page. Now if you want to go live, just click on this option right here, go live. And as you can see, if you set the camera and everything, you can click enable and you will start the live stream. And if you had a problem, all what you have to do is go to the settings right here and click on upload default, or go to the go to the channel right here and click on future eligibility and add your phone number right here so you can go live. Don't forget to like and subscribe.